I came across Mitolyn and decided to give it a try after seeing mixed opinions online, so I wanted to see for myself whether it's legit or a scam. The ordering process was straightforward, and I received my product within the estimated time, though the shipping wasn't particularly fast. The packaging seemed decent, nothing too fancy, but not unprofessional either. As for the product itself, it worked to some extent, but I wouldn't say it was life-changing or met all my expectations. Some aspects were decent, while others didn't quite deliver the promised results. I also noticed that customer service was responsive, but not exceptionally helpful when I had a few questions. Pricing seemed reasonable compared to similar products, but I'm not entirely sure if it justifies the overall effectiveness. While I didn't experience anything outright negative, I also wouldn't say it exceeded my expectations. Whether it's worth it or not really depends on what you're looking for and how much trust you're willing to put into it. Some people might find it beneficial, while others may feel it doesn't quite live up to the hype.